You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am here. I wanted to jump in real quick and let you know, yes, this is a high-speed sync photo shoot. And the reason being is because I did not have my ND filter for one, but number two, a lot of the times, I try to avoid using high speed sync, and it is mainly because I travel a lot if you watch my channel. And so that means that a lot of times I'm having back to back to back photo shoots. And so I typically only have one light. And so I need to reserve as much battery as possible so that I can make it throughout my day. Now, a lot of you all ask, what system do I use? And I have it here right now mounted on the Nikon Z8. This is the Freewell K2 VND system. Now, this is a little expensive, about $500, but we do have another option for you. What I first used is a magnetic system. So what you will have here is a magnetic ring that you would screw onto whatever lens you're using, and then you have the magnetic ND filter or variable ND, and it snaps on. Another great option that is out there are the clip-in filters. So you have multiple options, and that would allow you to stay out of high-speed sync. There are other reasons why you would want to stay out of high-speed sync, but right here we are using all that we have. We are using high-speed sync, and I am just going through with my Godox AD300. Hope you liked the video. Leave me some comments down below. Until the next one, peace. All right.
Got the little lip gloss. All right.
1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, outside on location with
Sade.
And where can we find you at?
_ life of SHADE on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. So subscribe, follow me.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left hand corner. Right now we are trying to get some shots. The clouds are actually covering up the sun, so hopefully it peaks back out, but right now we're going to use a one light setup and try to make the best of this nice blue sky that we have right here. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Let's see. That's good right there. 1, 2, 3. I know it's humid, so. Alright. 1. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Alright. I'm gonna bring that down just a little bit. Bring that right there. Okay, we good. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, switch the feet. Yeah, switch the feet and turn. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you could just do, I only need you to do like one step. So you could stay right here and just keep stepping right here. Alright. Boom. Alright, come in just a little bit. I'm gonna tell you when. Come in a little bit more. Right there. Alright. Yeah, just one step. And you could kind of have your hands like this, like, yeah. All right, 1, 2, yeah, go. All right, let's see. Yep, just like that. All right,
We're gonna do it again. I want you to tighten your core, all right? All right, 1, 2, and go. Perfect. Yeah. All right, stay right there and turn your back to me. Put your hands on your hips. Yeah, and yeah. 1, 2. 1, 2. Put your chin up. Perfect. All right. 1, 2. All right, you got can you put your arms back and like sit back? Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. Nah, just hurry. Yeah, just hurry up. All right, 1, 2. All right. Yeah. All right, let's try it again. All right. Come over. Right there. All right.
Okay. You guys are weird.
Yeah. All right. All right, come on. Girl, you can't see. Oh, come on. Yeah, you gotta just go. Yeah, cause you. Yeah, cause you. Your eyes ain't right. Come back right here. Come. Yeah, come. Nah. Right there. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. You said a good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Couple bad ones and they running their mouth on them. Grew up in the bay, the other one from the south. But I'm not get home, but I figure it out. She said, okay, you got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when they bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I think we gon' figure it out. Yeah, I'm okay, it don't matter what they say, we gon' figure it out. That's the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.